Hello traders, I want to share with you the results of this backtesting trendline breakout strategy. So I ran a market replay with it for 25 trading days. As you see, I started at 2.5 and ended from last week. And the settings were like I ran three set of tests to find out what would be the most optimal one. And you know, this was my criteria, strength 15, time as usual, and I selected first HTF as to 3 minutes, and I kept HTF to 15 minutes. So it yielded pretty good results, 35.40. Yeah, I understand it doesn't take commissions to consideration, but nevertheless, it was still good results considered for algo without human intervention and without any reservations. Rules are rules. If it sees the rules met, it opens the trade. So here's a screenshot of the settings, and let's look at more details. So for this 25 trading days, it took with those settings it took 209 trades with 55% accuracy, and yeah, so that's about it. And if we look at the trading days themselves, we see that the 12th was a bad day and 15th was a bad day, but I think 15th was the FOMS meeting. I think it was Wednesday, so um, you probably would choose not to open the trade or trade during that time. So that would be not as impactful on the history. But when I run the strategy, it doesn't know if there is a FOMS meeting or not. I just made sure it um, it has a time filter to it. So as you see, so these are the days. We had one day, two bad days. Then there's this 635, negative 635 on a day, which is pretty big. I mean, it's not that big. It's like three losing trades. And if we look at the time, this was what is a little bit revealing. Look at this, 9 a.m. So it means from 9 till 9:30. That's the significant losses occur for this strategy. So, so my next set of tests would be to start trading from 10 o'clock essentially, or as I kept it as 9:55, not 8:55 but 9:55. So we exclude all these negative numbers. So for the second round of testing, my time frame, as I stated here, 9:55 to 3:45, strength 15. Now this time I raised HTF, first HTF to 5 and second HTF to 15. So it takes that stochastics on a 5-minute time frame, higher time frame, and the stochastics on a higher time frame in 15 minutes. So as you see, this dramatically increased from 31 something to 5100, and it took less trades, obviously, but the percentage profitable was higher, and so the result was higher. And if we look at the details, Remember that we on the 15th there was a big down day. This one was only 240, not over 1,000, and 212 was over 1,000. This one was minus 620. It's because we raised that HTF filter, first HTF filter to 5 minute, not 3, and we removed that. So we started to trade from 10 o'clock basically. So we significantly removed the losses because of that trading volatility until 10 o'clock. And you may probably even consider to start trading at 10:30, not 10 o'clock. But it's, as you see, it takes a lot of trades during the 10 o'clock. See, like this one, it takes like 23 trades for that period. So uh, I don't know, it's up to you. And the third one is basically the same thing. You know, kept this time is the same, but this time I changed strength to 21. And I kept the first HTF and second HTF to the same. And if we look, so this one was pretty much similar results. It's like 5 grand here, 58% profitable. So if we look here, we had 57, well, almost 58% profitable, right? This one was 58 and almost 1.5% profitable. So what this tells me is this one was also a good strategy, good settings. It took less trades than with strength 15, and it also kept see this 15 and the 12th relatively the same. They're relatively same negative losses there. But what this tells me, like here are the stats for the half hour of a day. So this tells me that if you choose strength 15 or 21, you will be it's pretty much identical settings, but you just have to be consistent with it. Sometimes, you know, this strength 15 settings is more profitable at the beginning, then it's less profitable at the end or in the middle, where strength 21 would be more profitable at the beginning and then less profitable at the end, or vice versa. So upon looking this data, that's what I see. It's you just want to be significant. You just want to be consistent in your settings. I tried a short run with settings 34, strength 34. It's not a good settings. It's not profitable. But this one, as you see, this is generated almost 160 trades, and the previous run almost 180 trades. So it's a pretty good chunk of trades that is uh, pretty significant to determine you know, the validity of the software. I mean, validity of the strategy. So yeah, I see it. It's pretty good results considering that it was trading the whole February and 2 weeks. The 2 weeks, yeah, 2 weeks in March. So yeah, thanks for watching.